Yes, that's me. What can I do for you? That's me, I'm Mom. Love you. Love you too. Come here. Okay.
Where's my legs? Help me! Oh no! What are the potatoes doing out? It's me, Dad! What are these doing out of the kitchen? No! Dad, wait, stop! Olivia, go wash your paws for dinner. Dad, it's him! Yeah, will you let Hammy know it's almost dinner too? Ham, jump! Stop him, Liv! Help! Dad, wait! Olivia, what? Look! Ah!
You cannot destroy shoes. You see the shoe? Shoes cost money, okay? You cannot mess with shoes. You've been destroying so many shoes. What do you have to say for yourself? What do you say for yourself? What do you say for yourself? Another pair gone. Another one.
Go for a run? You wanna go for a run? Wait. Wait, wait. I heard you. Wait, wait. Okay, go. Good girl. Come on, baby. Make sure you look both ways, Scout. Good girl. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Scout. Good. All right, Scout, go home.
Here's the bill for the vet today. Not really sure how you're going to pay that one. You do actually live here rent-free. I do buy your groceries. So, maybe get a job, contribute to society a little bit. This is getting ridiculous, dude.
Can't believe that it's finally me and you and you and me, just us and your friend Steve. Do 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 Steve. Do 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 do.